Hello, good morning. Welcome to Kingston Public School. I am your computer teacher Bhavna Gupta. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Kingston Public School. I am your computer teacher Bhavna Gupta. Today we will learn about Windows 7. What we will learn in Windows 7? In Windows 7 we will learn changing date and time, change font, how to change mouse setting, how to use on-screen keyboard. But today we will only learn changing date and time and change font. So first is changing date and time. How to change date and time on your system? Firstly, we click on the start button. Then in start button, we click on control panel. In control panel, we will click on date and time option. When we will click on date and time option, the date and time dialog box is open. Here, 3 tabs are available: date and time, additional clocks and internet time. But by default, date and time tab is selected. In this tab, first we will click on change date and time button. When we will click on this button, the date and time setting dialog box is open. Okay, this dialog box. Firstly, select the current day in the display calendar. This is the calendar. We will select present date and time using the forward and backward arrow buttons. This is forward and backward arrow button. When you will click on these buttons, your months and sun will be forwarded and backward. Okay, then your selection process will be completed. Then you will click on OK button. Okay, and your date will be changed. How to change time? To change the time, we will select here increase and decrease button. To change the hour, select the hour in the text box. Look here. To change hour, we select the hour in the text box and then click on the arrow to increase and decrease the hours accordingly. Similarly, you can change the minutes and second. Okay. So, in this way, you will change date and time. Then next is change the fonts. The character used in typing the text that use the same design are called fonts. Font settings are used to change the display of text on the screen and printed text. You can use the font setting in control panel to view, add new fonts, delete existing fonts. Look given here. Firstly, for change the font setting, we click on control panel. In control panel, we will click on appearance and personalization. Okay. This one. We will click on appearance and personalization. When we will click on appearance and personalization, in this we will click font option. Okay. Then font window is appear. This is your font window. To view the sample of font, double click on any given font. When you double click on any given font, your font will be changed. How to add new font? For this, firstly select the drive and then open the folder that contains the new font, or download any font in the official website. Then select the font that you want to add and drag it to the font folder. In control panel, font will be added in the list of existing fonts. Look, when you will select any font you want, then this window is open and you can select any font. Okay, you can also delete the existing font. For this, select the font that you want to delete, then click on the delete button. Where is delete button? Here. Firstly, click on the font that you want to delete and then click on the delete button. When you will click on delete button, your font will be deleted. Okay, so this is Windows 7 to change the date and time and change the fonts. I have given some homework for you. You do in your note copy. Okay, thank you.